Oh,
There's the blacksmith.
yeah, there's the blacksmith, baby.
Hard work is all there is to the craft.
Mondstadt welcomes you.
What?
This is the first Paimon's heard of it.
She's a tiny one, isn't she? They'd need to be purpose-built.
Wow, he just bespoke.
Of course. I sell weapons, make them to order, and do refinements. All in the job description for a blacksmith. All you need is the ore. No, buy from some... You look confused. Bring some back and I'll help you for... No need. I have other things. What do you want? Oh, yeah. These are okay, I guess. If you ever find ore, ideally when I'm not busy. A blacksmith's work takes focus. When the craft is good, if there's nothing else, I'll carry...